What is up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new late night haunted adventure. Tonight we are going to be joined by Ghosts on Trent, which are another team from Stoke-on-Trent. We're going to be returning to that dead bird farm. If you've followed my channel for a long time, you may have seen this place before. I've never been here at night and this is going to be the first official paranormal investigation here. Stay with us guys, let's get straight into it.
That was not my stomach.
God.
That was not my stomach.
That came from there.
That wasn't my stomach.
That sounds like the voice I picked up the very first time I came.
Did you die inside this house? If so, make the lights change colour, please.
Thank you.
If there's anybody here, can you make yourself known, please? Can you knock after me?
Did you hear that?
Was that you, sir?
That wasn't me, I thought they came from over your way.
No. Did you hear that knock?
Yeah, like I straight I'd like to.
Thank you. Could you do that again for me, please?
That sounded like somebody upstairs then.
You think?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's time for me.
Anakin.
Hello? That was not my stomach.
God.
Was it not?
That was not my
That
stomach.
came from there.
That wasn't my stomach.
That sounds like the voice I picked up the very first time I came.
You sure? Honest, did you mean that? That wasn't my
Is
stomach.
there anything in the cupboard?
No, that's just a little cupboard that is. That came from behind that was that corner.
That was really loud.
And I've picked up things before in that there with K2.
Thank you. If that was you making that noise, could you just again for us, please?
Did you hear that? Find.
Yeah, I heard this again, yeah.
I heard that.
Anakin.
Thank you.
Yeah, tapping. Out there just.
Are you a man? A male?
That sounds like a clock.
Tapping what I heard. Are you going to answer me again? Hello? Don't be shy. Really in full respect. Just make any kind of noise you can for us, please. Mate, there's somebody walking. And shush. We're calling out for anyone who's here with us tonight to come forward.
Right.
Thank you.
Going off.
And
Yeah.
mine. Are you a male? Or are you a female? If that was you making that moaning noise, could you make it turn to red? The green light goes straight to red, please. Thank you. Thank you so much. Are both of them going?
Yeah, both
Yeah.
in sync. That one's not over there.
No.
Are you the owner of this house?
Are you a child?
Are you walking on the hallway? If so, turn that green light to red again for me, please. Come on, come back into the room. If you can see us, can you turn that green light to red? Strange.
Can you come into the room to us, please? We're not here to cause you any harm. We just want to communicate with you.
That's so strange, isn't it?
Weird, isn't it?
It's going. Thank you. Are you back with us? That wasn't me.
If you don't want to touch these, just outside by the stairs, there's a little box on the floor. If you go touch that, it'll make a noise and it'll let us know you're here. Or you can touch these again. Thanks for that.
We have been here in this house on numbers of occasions, not together. However, we've been here, you've seen us here, you know we're not here to harm you or cause any damage to the building. We came here respectfully. We just want to come and communicate with you, know your story.
I just heard that breathing again. Yeah. Did you hear that sound? I heard something, but I wasn't sure. Okay, just go. I heard that breathing again, mate.
Is that you making that noise down in the kitchen before? Maybe you were worried about what we're doing while we're here? Got a breeze, come through that.
Yeah.
Hit me in the face if that's going on.
Thank you very much. Did you die inside this house? Would you be able to use your voice if we got a device out where you can speak to us? If so, make the lights change colour, please.
Thank you.
Do you reckon we should try PSP7?
Good to hear.
Hold on. Let me hold.
Yeah, cheers.
I never thought we shouldn't be carrying on.
Wow, that's going on.
That's all.
Just smart of being able to hear that noise.
Ooh.
I've gone quite cold all of a sudden.
I just had a hit of cold.
Yeah, if you hear
It's because we're not talking to them.
possibly. Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm freezing.
So I was still recording then, so you might have been able to pick up that sound. That K2 does make a noise.
And it's going off.
And there you go, it's going off again.
And this at the same time.
Thank you very much.
Whatever is here is strong. I'm freezing.
I saw that flash, a breeze came through and then that one went off.
That was insane, that one.
Yeah. It's like something rushed through the middle of the room.
Yeah. It's like the energy's building up now.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As you were talking, I heard something behind me.
Let's get green bell again.
Yeah, and that. I feel a child in this room.
Didn't we say that before?
I don't know, I feel like a little child in this room for some reason.
Are you a man?
Can you make this go to red if you're a man?
I'll ask you again, if you can see us, do please turn them to red.
What was that?
That was a scream.
That was through there, yeah.
Was that a fox then? I don't know.
No.
Could be. I don't
They make all kind of noises, don't
Yeah,
they?
they can.
I'm not sure. Thank you.
So you can see us then? Could you knock after me?
Was that one after you, yeah? That knock after? So you did ch and then after you did.
No, again.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard something.
Is that you knocking?
So if no one reacts and I wasn't sure. But
I thought it was Mark,
yeah, I heard the ch and then after.
and then one after.
Is that you knocking?
That's back.
Yeah.
That's like it. Yeah, just relax. Strange, isn't it? How it's spiking and then it's as though like whenever he says it's coming and going.
Going there, yeah.
Do you want to guide us into another room?
All three at the same time.
Yeah,
That really did double spike off then, didn't he? I don't know which one to go.
you focus on that one, Mark. I've got this.
Shut down. Could you do that again for us, please?
Come on, we've turned all of these cameras off now. We'd like you to do something for us before we leave. Can you make us run out of here? Use all of our energy? Thank you.
The story Sylvia used to thought I was going to tell, basically in that bar area, like a gentleman's room, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, so basically, well, I've told that as I always tell the story. I've never been this scared in my whole life, but it was nothing paranormal in the end. So I'm stood by the bar on my own, there's no one around me. I'm leaning on the bar like that.
Follow the stairs.
Hopefully that picked up. Luckily I wasn't talking. Like before it was like
Yeah. Could you touch that aerial again for me, please?
then it's got to be touched, haven't it?
Yeah.
Can't go near, it's got to be touched. Curious about it.
What's strange as well, we've never had that REM pod go to anyone. Yeah, we've never had that go off on us. Have we, Mark?
First time, I suppose.
Very first time that's gone, mate.
I've never had nothing on mine.
And it seems to be we're getting more activity when we're just stood together talking as a group amongst ourselves. So whatever is in here is actually playing games with us. How strange. saying that, if the sun's been in that direction all day and shining on you, it's going to be warm. It's
Did you
exactly
hear
like
that?
What?
It was like, ooh.
I've got a device in my hand here. You can use your voice through it, you can speak to us, communicate to us, give us any message that you might have, whether it's for us or your loved ones. Can you tell us your name through this device in my hand, please? Come towards it and use your voice. Are you the man of the house?
Have you been affecting them green lights turning into red for us? Could you please tell us your name? Can't understand why you're being so shy. We know you're here now.
We'd like to know your name. Please come forward and tell us your name. Or maybe you have any different message that you would like to pass to us.
Is anybody here? Could you make yourself known?
Can you hear it? It's like a scratching sound.
Yeah.
I thought it was downstairs, Robbie.
We should head downstairs, kid.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe where. Whatever is here is kind of plain or something. It's giving us a little bit. At first he gave us more. And now it's just bits.
Yeah.
And he's trying to like go down. It's weird how all the doors are closed.
Chairs in the corner. This is that was never like that before. Yeah, you go down there, it leads into that other area. There's a bathroom there. No, we don't think so. Yeah, right.
on there, have we?
There's a room there and it leads you back to the stairs, but as you come up them stairs, you've got the left turn all straight on. You can actually go back on yourself and there's another bathroom.
Oh, right.
That chair's weird. Yeah, that was
strange, just on its own.
He was sitting here in the middle of the room and I went round the corner, that door's open behind you. And I'm looking at that and it just appears.
Jump scare.
Yeah, proper. But
Quiet.
That's not mine, because that makes 10 years.
So we're at the front of the house now, aren't we?
Side.
Side.
Left side.
Left.
Say again. Yeah. Did you hear something?
Yeah, I'll give
A
you.
voice. Sounded like a voice in the distance I heard.
This was the child's room as well, because when we came, they had children's wallpaper and toys.
Yeah.
Around the spot.
Yeah.
Are there any children with us here tonight? Are you playing hide and seek with us? Can you knock?
Can you hear things from outside?
Yeah, I can hear something faint all the time.
It's weird, isn't it? Sounds like I keep hearing like voices in the distance, but I was just about to say before you spoke, I had a smell of smoke come past me.
When just?
Yeah, just before Sylwia spoke.
Yeah.
I was just going to say I had like a whiff of
Like old open, that kind of smell.
yeah,
Pipe tobacco.
yeah.
Did anybody smoke a pipe in here? Or fags?
There's a way to go down. There's a way to go down there.
Can you feel that trapped? That breeze.
Coming from that way. Yeah. It's cold here, but yeah, I'm freezing there. It's cold.
Could you walk above us, please?
Did you hear that?
Was that all put down there?
Oh, I think.
Could you do that again, please? One big loud bang, if possible.
But it was faint.
Very faint, what's it like?
And again.
If that's you making them banging noises, could you make it louder for us, please?
There was.
Was loud.
If you want us to leave, can you please make one big, massive, loud bang? Massive. If you want to see Mark run,
You don't want to see that.
There was a bang, but it wasn't massive. And another one.
Could you bang like this?
Proper breeze coming from that doorway.
yeah,
But you'd expect it to be coming from there.
would, wouldn't you?
Keeps it coming straight.
The windows out there, isn't it?
Yeah.
And if
There's a
it's,
breeze here.
it's coming from that way.
The stairs, yeah.
It's like I don't know if you can feel it the same. My hands here in my face. It was like a proper powerful breeze.
I can feel it all down my neck, yeah. Are you behind us?
It's getting stronger. That.
Yeah. It isn't coming through this way, it's
Mhm.
coming into my face. I'm facing that window. And it looks to me as though the wind's died down as well, isn't it?
I mean, it's silent out there.
Yeah, there's no wind out there.
Maybe try and shut this door just in front of us. There's this door here. Give it a good push. If you don't want us here, we're not welcome. You give us a good reason to leave.
Make us leave.
Did you hear that? Running down the stairs.
Yeah, go on.
Running on the stairs.
How what you heard? Which way are the stairs from me? Here, aren't they?
Yeah.
Could you run towards us, please? Breathe straight through the face.
Considering there's no windows really there, it's powerful.
Come on, knock after me.
You bang.
Upstairs.
And again. The first one was like a vibrating.
Do it again for me.
You want to come a bit closer to us? Come in the room. Come in here and knock on the door. Nice big clear knock.
Could you knock like this?
It's gone calm.
Is anybody here with us?
We hear something there, just. Did you hear that? To your left, Sylvia. It was like a. Hold on. Like that, but quiet.
No.
Can you see that device with the red light on it? There's an aerial sticking up. Could you just walk towards it, please? You've done it just, so could you please do it again? Be amazing if you could.
That was outside.
Where did it come from?
There, but outside.
Was it?
I think so, yeah.
You whistle? Listen, we know you're here. They're setting devices off for us. So could you please make another noise? We'll set this device on the stairs off for us. Please?
Yeah, above.
You were hearing that banging, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard it so about
Again.
3 times now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
4 times. 5. Okay guys, so I've just come to this part of the cellar completely alone. Somewhere out here there is a REM pod on the floor, and I've got a K2 just in front there. I'm completely alone in this room. Down in... Was that you banging? Yeah. I don't know if that was them. Could have been them. The guys are just through the door, right the way down. They're in a room over there.
Could you make any of these devices go up for us, please? You already have done upstairs. Could you do it down here for us?
Is he okay? Speaking into?
Yeah, he's talking to himself.
Oh, okay.
Strange, them upstairs was, wasn't it? Whoa, what's that, Simon? Has he gone upstairs?
I think he might have shut the door so we don't hear us, maybe. Possibly.
Anybody down here want to talk to me while I'm alone? We've had lots of banging tonight, especially on the very top floor. Now I'm alone. Maybe you'll want to come to me, talk to me, let me know you're there. You're walking around in here, I can feel a breeze next to me. The thing is, there's nowhere for a breeze to come from. I can feel a cold energy around me here. Oh, I'm freezing. I am freezing. Maybe you want to go and touch that box there, a little black box with lights on it. Go touch that like you were earlier. Like somebody in this building was touching our device, making the lights go all the way up to the red. Somebody in the room with me, maybe come and touch me. Put my hand out. I heard noises over there. Feel free to touch me. Just reach out, touch my hand. I'm not here to harm you. Being very respectful. Now, in a previous video, I was down in this basement on my own, and I heard a male and a female voice, and there was a large banging sound that came from there. Made me think that it was actually stairs, but when I checked it wasn't. I can hear you moving around. I can feel you down here. You're making me very cold. You're all around me. It is freezing down here, I will be honest. And it's not even a cold night. There's no breeze from that window. In here, there's a breeze. This part of the house here, that's the room we were in, the floorboards messy.
Yeah.
And the bathtub there, but I don't know how you even get into that part of the building. I've never been in there.
It's like it's been sealed off.
Yeah, there's no way to get in apart from this way.
Strange, like.
And this is where I heard that whistle as well. I don't know if it was in here or up there, but I was in that room. We've been all around the house. We've gone to where you might be banging. And we're back here. Don't know where you are. We need you to come to us. You've been in this room. We've had lots of activity with you. Can you please come back into the room to us? Just let us know you're here. By touching one of us or banging. Plenty of devices around. Go and touch one of them.
Sylvia's going to pick up the device what you made the green light go to red again. So could you do what you did before for us, please? If you're here in this room with us again, you know who Sylvia is with them green lights in her hand, and you've already set them off. Could you do it again for us, please? To let us know that it was you. Come on, we know you can do this.
You were giving us knocks and bangs. We were trying to find you. Unfortunately, we couldn't. So please come over to us instead. It seemed like this room is the most active one. Did you hear that?
That wasn't me. Like a red. That was loud. That was not me. Thank you.
Has anything bad happened in this room?
Weird, that noise, just that moaning sound is just like what we heard when we first came in.
Yeah, that was strange. Really loud as well, wasn't it?
I'm feeling like an elderly woman, to be honest.
Yeah, definitely. I'm not feeling like a male spirit, definitely not. There's a plane coming over there again.
That sounded like singing. Like honey.
Just when the plane's starting to get a bit louder, like when we first heard it, I heard something, yeah.
Yeah, I heard something.
And then the plane's like droning as all
Yeah.
that. If that was you, can you repeat that, please? Oh, that's just weird, that is.
It's slow.
No, crossbones.
Wow, my God.
Queens on there.
So I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like down below. And if you want to follow my social medias, there will be links in the description. Also, there's going to be a link for Ghosts on Trent. Great set of guys that we've been out with tonight. Go check out their channel. It's time to end this one, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.